concept?
So it's what is today? Saturday. And we're taking the birthday boy out for a little surprise.
Is it gonna be a game place or a park?
I don't know, we gotta wait until we get there.
Daddy, I want the what is it?
Oh my god, y'all are messing me up. Who's gonna wet me up?
Dad was the one that Daddy.
So we're taking them out for an evening of fun. Sipping on some Kisco. Like, are you guys Kisco fans? Let me know in the comments if you've tried Kisco before. It's really good. The kids love them, right boys?
Yep.
Them finish theirs.
Okay, I did my one course. But you can take it too. No, I don't. Mommy, can you hold the bag right here? Can you hold my bag or the other bag right here?
Hold it, why should I hold it?
I want to do one trick.
This is me.
Don't do one.
I'm just going along for the ride, guys, because I'm tired. I'm drained from last night. Obviously, the nightlife is just not for me. I slept twice today, once in the AM and then once in the afternoon. I was beat, guys.
Are we going to Disneyland?
No, we're not going to no Disneyland. And I didn't even have anything much to drink. So imagine if we did go drink the liquor. What do we wake up on now?
Mommy, why not drink that potion that is green?
I'll think about it. So guys, journey with us and see what we get up to.
I don't know what happened when I drink that water.
We're gonna turn into Godzilla.
Okay? Hi, open my door. Nope.
Let's give afternoon. Hello.
Okay.
Frosty.
Yeah, one Frosty and one McDonald's.
They have Frosties and
What
burger.
you're gonna take?
Huh?
What you're gonna take?
I don't know yet. Probably a burger.
Okay.
So we're in Wendy's
Mommy?
with the boys.
Mommy,
Go.
I will take a burger with chicken nuggets in it. Hey, Mommy.
Javi saying one burger. I think I'm gonna have like a Dave's doubles or something like that. Is that okay? Is that okay? You're full of so much glitter. Oh, you're in front of us, right? Jamir, come over here. No, that lady was in front of us. You remember seeing her?
I don't even know what that is. We need to get out there, guys. Gonna read the one night. French fries. Food like right now. What did they like make the food right now when they made it?
They're gonna make it. So guys, we just ordered.
Why did they make it right now when they opened?
Yeah, they're gonna make it soon. Unfortunately, they didn't have any vanilla frosty for Jamir, and he doesn't want the chocolates.
I just go to them.
They don't have any normal ones. They only have chocolate frosty. Do you want the chocolate?
Well, how can they make it normal?
They don't have any vanilla, guys. So that's the pre-fun. No, we're waiting on our order. And we got burgers as well and nuggets for the kiddies. I hope you guys are here because it's pretty loud in here.
Well, after I reach there, we take it.
After this, we're gonna head to our location, but we're pretty hungry, so we decided to stop and get some food. Yeah, y'all are gonna behave. Y'all are gonna behave or not?
I want to lay your finger. I want to lay your
We have the
finger.
birthday boy over here. Say hi, birthday boy.
Hey, I want to with my birthday now.
Soon your birthday.
Hey, I want to with your head.
Don't say that. Javi, how do you feel? You're almost 7. How you feel? Feel good that you're almost 7 years old?
Yeah, I want. Well, mommy, I wonder why did those guys like make the food already when they already made it the food. So
they
if
didn't
they
know.
ordered that food, they can just like put it in bag right now.
Oh, I'm gonna ask them.
Mom, what years old that you got taller?
Every year it gets a little taller.
Well, I don't feel any taller. You don't feel any taller. Well, yeah, but you don't feel any taller. Yes, I do.
That's right.
Some of them look old.
Hmm?
Some of them look old.
I'll take the drinks. I don't think you can run out.
And I can take the bag.
Sure. Alright. Let's go.
I can smell the good smell of my friend
We're going in the car.
Mommy, I
So I got the food.
Oh, Daddy,
Give it to me, Bugsy.
Huh?
Yeah, we'll want to go McDonald's.
Yeah, man.
You want fries or can I have the fries? So this is the Dave's doubles, I think. Has like lettuce, tomato, pickles, burger, 2, and then some cheese.
I gotta eat it.
So Jammer is gonna be trying a burger for the first time. Jammer, have you burger yet? I don't think so.
Yeah, I don't even eat burger, but this is the first time.
Alright, come let's give it a taste test. Let's see how it is.
I need to take out some of that.
Alright, you don't let it lettuce. Like, bite this side that doesn't have the lettuce. It's good?
I
You. You want to try Javi? Come, taste the side with no lettuce. Go scooch over so Javi can
It's
try.
yummy.
It's yummy?
No.
Jamie wants to try McDonald's. This is the closest thing you'll get to a McDonald's burger, Bugsy.
Yeah. Now get me all the burgers.
You see what else burger this? You serious? Alright, I'm gonna give you half and take half. Okay?
I got half. And my half.
Is your half? You want some fries? We also have honey mustard. Honey mustard. For fries. It's hot though. Oh, thank you.
And here's my thing.
Debbie, wanna try the honey mustard?
No.
Try some hot bud.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome. I don't want any.
Taste it.
I already tasted a little bit.
Try it now.
I tried it.
And how is it?
A little bit bad and a little bit good.
Oh.
I think that makes me mad about the burger about.
It's all of these things. I'm gonna push them back for you. So you can eat
Take
it with.
all the yucky things.
Okay.
Even the cheese.
No, this part don't have any cheese. Come. Back. Alright, good. So guys, we are at, what's this plaza called? The Waterloo Plaza. And we are actually at VR World.
No! But I want to do it myself.
What did you say? Stop.
Hey, you never come there and pull your
Why were you pulling my hair?
Because I thought you were on the wing.
It's not a wig, it's my hair.
But anyway, but they had fruit taken and chopped. Not you.
Bye.
Javi.
Bye. Come, Javi. We're taking some pics with the birthday boy. Come now, man. Pose them, mommy, see. Show me your best
Hello.
pose. So they basically have like a virtual reality amusement center. Jamie, leave that door. So we're gonna take the boys. That's their little surprise for Javi's birthday. Come here, my love. And let them have some fun.
What is Daddy doing over there?
Stand up right here. Hi. Come right here, Boozy. Right here. Go, baby.
to finish it. If he comes off the game, you lose that one.
Yeah, that Jamie cannot come off. You have to stay on till the end. Alright, go baby. Let's get a scan.
Mommy,
Good.
can I do one game in the
Good, Jamie, go. Okay, press the green. It's okay, just press it. You're pressing it. Good. How was it? It was good? Alright, go, Javi. You can go on it if you want. Javi's turn.
It was so awesome!
You liked it? How much you rate it out of 10?
700 out of 700.
Okay, good. Ready?
Big man go on this and start sweating up.
Look on the road. Turn. Yeah, follow the green line. Go.
I already
Yeah, I'm getting short kisses. I know. The Javi's over there on the right, panicking, right?
Yeah, but I didn't panic because that is easy.
The paper said easy. Easy. And chicken. The Javi over there a panic. Yeah, but so I'm going this one. It holds just up to 6. I have no idea, but it holds up to 6 people. Singles. Thank you. That more. Okay. So we want to go like the 6th one. That one over there, I flip people all over the place. Let me show you Javi little panicking over here. Javi okay? Javi say him not okay. It's almost done. Come down though.
Mom, what round are we doing next?
Maybe we can go over there.
I like how we do that one.
Stand right here, don't move. Stand right here. Where are you?
Right here.
So guys, that's it for the festivities. Well, this is the end of the vlog and this is the end of the vlog.
What is the end of the vlog?
No,
But we didn't make 100 vlog.
No. False alarm, guys. So it's the end of tonight's festivities. Did you boys have fun?
Yes!
How was your birthday night? Oh,
Good.
it was good. You enjoyed yourself?
Uh-huh.
How many hours until your birthday?
There 1 more.
3.5 more hours until Javi's birthday.
There will plug on your
You're gonna be 7 tomorrow, my love. So guys, that was it. It was a fun experience personally. I'll give it like an 8 out of 10. I went on the roller coaster ride, which went through like a Jurassic Park theme park with a bag of dinosaurs and all these things. And I also did the zombie apocalypse. Something, but that was traumatizing, guys. Trust me, I'm never doing that again. But overall, it was a very fun experience. The boys enjoyed themselves. Are you a zombie? Huh? I know we'll get them something to eat because they're hungry. We're gonna get the zombies food. Alright? Sit back, zombie. So yeah, guys, that's it, and I'll catch y'all when I catch y'all.
Yeah, which one? You wanna be a zombie?
Zombie.
I gotta start up, I support group with a membership. My heart, CL is champagne, eggs Benedict.
Good morning, guys. It is the next morning. It's Javi's birthday, and we're trying to set up a little balloon surprise for him. So I have my little, what is this? Electric balloon pump. We have all the supplies. We have helium balloons. We have some tinsel. So Daddy just ran on the road with him. So we're just gonna hurry up and see if we can blow up some balloons before they get back. And the theme is Sonic. So Sonic is blue, red, and yellow. So I had these assorted balloons. But I could only find assorted colors. Like the solid blues that I really wanted were out. But we moved. Can use the yellow as well. I'm gonna try and make like a column, and then we're gonna put like the Sonic ones on top. So yeah, let's move as fast as possible. I'm up closing at the machine and watch, guys, because we've been out all weekend, so we never get to do no laundry. So if you hear the machine going, apologies. So this is the Sonic one. This is actually helium. Not the helium, but we're going to do our best. Let's see how we can get this going up. Right, let's blow these up in the meantime. Is there red? Does Sonic have red? Sonic have red too. Let's add some red.
I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. I'm feeling in my pride is the one to blame. Cause I know I don't understand just how you love been doing no one okay. Tell me looking so crazy right now. Your love got me looking so crazy.
So we're blowing up the number 7 balloon. Not gonna lie, guys, it's taking a lot out of me. I'm out of breath. I'm legit dying at this point. Sonic clip. I have a Sonic one as well that needs a little air. So you just stick in the little straw thingy and blow it.
My lips are so deep in your eyes. I touch your room more and more every time. When you leave, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. I'm feeling in my pride is the one to blame. Cause I know I don't understand just how you love been doing no one okay. Tell me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so.
So guys, this is what we're working with. We've decorated the door with some Sonic over here. Also have a couple balloons over here with the number 7, and it's so cute. So cute. Love, love, love it. Can't wait for him to see it. And this one is giving a little bit of problem because it's not sticking. But let's hope it holds up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make him some breakfast, his fave. So when he gets back, he'll see all the festivities. Yeah, but take your time.
I knew it. Daddy, come back!
Come on, you don't see everything.
Come out here. And Daddy, look! Shiny!
Like it? Huh?
And here's Shiny because Shiny is 7
You're
years
so unamused.
I'm going to yourself.
What do you think about your decorations?
Shiny! Thank you, Never! Magic trick.
So we're currently in birthday celebration mode, and I can't believe I have a whole 7-year-old on my hand, if we're being honest. So my eldest Javi just turned 7, and he wanted a Sonic 7 themed birthday party, which we had at school, but then we decided to do a little something at home with just the fam. So we went ahead and did a whole door decor. And listen guys, I'm no decorator, but I think I did my big one with that door. After that, we went ahead and he opened his gifts that we got for him, and he was just so excited and appreciative, and he really didn't ask for much, and he's not that hard to please. He literally wanted this STEM building system because he's giving engineer vibes. He loves to build stuff with his Legos, so we're gonna grant him his wish. Also got him this cute little birthday card, and he loved that, of course. And a fun fact about my handsome 7-year-old is that he is not a fan of cake, ice cream, or anything birthday related, so it gets a little bit tricky around this time. But for his birthday, he requested his favorite breakfast, so of course your girl went in the kitchen and I whipped up some pancakes for him, and I decided to add a little jazz, you know, and make it blue, just to keep on theme for the Sonic 7 birthday. So yeah, we made blue pancake, and I'm not gonna lie guys, I find it very hard to just not be extra and like tone down my creativity around this time. Like, birthdays are a big deal for me. I can recall having birthdays up to my 16th birthday, so imagine having kids who are anti-birthday festivities. It's such a drag, but you know, I had to be creative in some way, so let's do a birthday pancake cake instead. So I went ahead and I stacked his pancakes for him, and I added some candles, and of course he told me I was the best mommy in the world, so that made my entire year, guys. Birthday to you,
But happy birthday, pancake.
happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Javi. Happy birthday to you. So he made his wish and blew out his candles with Jameer's help, of course. But we're just so blessed to see another year. Happy birthday, my baby boy. What did it say?
Happy birthday. And the side.
Got it open.
Whoa.
What does it say inside?
Let me read it. Yippee holiday.
Hooray, yippee hooray.
Yippee hooray, what is your terrific day? One filled with cake, gifts, and a short time to play because you're terrific and it's your birthday. Happy birthday.
Yay, like it? Okay, great.
Oh, I'm gonna do this. Well, I don't know how to like. I made some instruction. I made instruction book.
How old? Jameer, don't. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you, Javi? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you. Jameer, don't. Make a wish. I blew out your candle, Javi.
Okay.
It's gotta be a secret. Don't tell anybody.
Okay.
Yay!
I saw some fire, so I blowed it out. Are we gonna eat it? Get your face out of the food court. I lick you.
Jameer, leave him there. Let you eating thing. Jameer. Jameer.
When the screwdriver is gone.
Yeah, those out. So Javi is building his little, what is it? Projects? Put your book over, baby. So Javi's working on his little projects.
Look, doesn't it look?
Bring it over here, let me see. So this is something that he's working on, but he's using the hauling key. You have to dig it in, my love.
Okay.
Dig it in and screw. Alright?
I want to come and look. And also Sonic get upside down.
We'll soon fix Sonic. Here, baby, continue.
Okay. No, soon fix Sonic. Okay.
Jameer, you know what to build?
Well, I don't want to build like, well, I don't really know what to do, so.
You follow these instructions. So the little booklet comes with all the instructions on how to build certain things.
Mommy.
It has so many options.
Do you want me to pour some out? No!
No, don't pour it, baby.
I
Just
won't
put
pour
it
them. I will give you these. Yeah.
How many things?
No, I don't need these big ones. I need the small ones. 2.